In this Manychat tutorial video, we're discussing the strategy behind how to send DMs to new followers on Instagram. Of course, using everyone's favorite DM automation tool, Manychat. My goal is to break down the top 3 ways to use Instagram DM automation that will help you increase your conversions of brand new followers into leads, customers, subscribers, and more. And if you keep watching, I'll share a way for you to get access to my very own Manychat template that you can easily install in seconds. And it includes all that we're building here in this video and a few more extras that you can use with the new follow to DM feature from Manychat. So let's step your gram up the right way as I show you how to message a new follower on Instagram with Manychat. I'm Heston, founder of Social Varsity and your Manychat's BFF. And hopefully, I'll be yours as well after I show you how you can grow, sell, and engage more on Instagram with this brand new strategy on how to use Manychat. Whether it's your first time here or returning to my YouTube channel, I really do appreciate your support, and I'm glad that you're joining us today to talk more about this incredible Manychat feature. Now that Instagram and Manychat have made it possible for us to send automated DMs to new followers, it unlocks an endless world of possibilities. As I said in my tutorial, the first DM you send a new follower is a pivotal moment for you and the recipient. You want to establish a warm and positive impression, even if it's automated. By the way, speaking of, if you'd like the counterpart to this video, which is that tutorial I just mentioned, a free Google Doc on how to set up Manychat's feature to send automated DMs to brand new followers, simply scan the QR code on the screen. You're going to be amazed at how I use Manychat from outside Instagram, like here on YouTube, to start a DM conversation in Instagram with my chatbot that you may know as Brad, and walk you through getting access to that freebie. You can also get the freebie from the links in the description of this video. So please make sure to get yours either way that you decide. Another reason you want to get the freebie, especially access to my tutorial, is because of what you may have noticed on my screen. Although I'm setting up the new Manychat feature, Follow to DM, my page may look a little different to yours. Manychat wants you to set it up as a quick automation, which you generally access from here. As you can see, it is the first template listed named Say Hi to New Followers. That's perfectly fine if you want to set it up using this template, but I've always found quick automations limited and not as robust as if you were to build out automations from scratch in the Flow Builder, as you can see here. So you're probably wondering, how do you get your follow DM automation to go from this to that, right? Well, I explain how and walk you through the entire process in my tutorial. So once again, let me remind you, make sure you get access by scanning the QR code or tapping the link below. Let's continue on. As for the strategy behind the use of the follow to DM, let's begin by doing something that most people don't, delaying the DM. Unfortunately, most Manychat users don't or simply aren't aware of adding a delay to the automation. But in this scenario, think about it from the point of view of the new follower. They may have just tapped the follow button on your profile after deciding long and hard to join your community. Without a delay set, they would receive a DM notification within moments of tapping that button, making for what I would consider a very inauthentic feeling and a slight bit of distrust. I mean, think about it. Would you like to receive a DM from someone the very moment you followed them? If you ask me, real stalker vibes. Rather, add some time in between when the button is clicked and when they should receive the DM. I normally would suggest to go with a minimum of 3 minutes. That's 180 seconds for you math wizards out there. I think that's more than enough time for the new follower to still be active on Instagram and not feel overwhelmed by any burden from someone they just followed. To accomplish this, you can do this in one of 2 ways. You can use the delay feature on the actual follow to DM trigger, which gives you a few time options, as you can see here, up to 10 minutes, as low as no seconds at all. Or you can simply add a smart delay right after the initial when block. You do that by just clicking the circle next to the then, and then tapping smart delay from the option selected. This is the method that I prefer because I have more control, which is to increase the delay settings however I want. Like here, I'll make it 3 minutes. Now, what will your first message be? Before we get to that, I want to share with you a very special opportunity. Now, this entire process I'm walking you through right now, I've already done. Matter of fact, I actually have it available as a plug and play template that's so easy to install and be added to your own ManyChat right now. It only takes seconds to install, as I said, but then you go in and customize it yourself however you want. Add your own message, change the time delays. You can even take advantage of the few extra goodies that I've added. This template is the first of many templates that is now available in my Manychat Skool group, and there's so much more. Consider this my personal invitation to you to join. Manychat Skool has an in-depth course where you can learn the full potential of Manychat and all that it has to offer, including all its amazing features. Meet other content creators, business owners, digital marketers, and more. Everyone who uses Manychat and engage in community posts to have fun with, learn from, and support each other. Join exclusive live video masterminds and Q&A sessions with some of the top creators and influencers in the business. And yes, despite all that listed, there's still so much more like leaderboards, weekly featured posts, series, giveaways, and so much more that you'll have to join to find out. So why not join Manychat Skool via the QR code on the screen or the link in the description to access not only the course, community, templates, and some of the other things that I've listed, but the entire experience. I am so looking forward to seeing you in Manychat Skool. Our next step in sending automated DMs to new followers on Instagram, the actual message itself. But let me warn you, please, please, please do not come off too strong, disrespectful, or too salesy. Your first message to the contact should be positive, welcoming, and set the tone for future communications. One of the best and most simplest ways to do this is with a very simple greeting. Hi, hey there, what's up, welcome, all acceptable, but you have to be mindful of how to best initiate the message without seeming like a robot. And another key aspect to this would be to personalize the message. In this scenario, we'll actually use their IG handle. So let's put it all together. From the smart delay we last created, just tap on the circle next to next step label, click anywhere on the screen, and then now click Instagram for a message to appear. What I'm going to do here is I'll keep the message simple. Hi there. Simple as that. We now have a message that is now sent after the smart delay 3 minutes, but something is missing here. We don't want to just simply greet them and walk away, do we? Of course not. As a content creator or a business owner or other, we want to convert them into a lead, right? And the best way to do that is to present them with an option, or maybe even two. The next step is to give the lead control of the conversation. Assumingly, we present the lead with two options that will continue this conversation. Now, I would suggest these options be a product, service, affiliate link, freebie, etc. To offer as a token of appreciation or as an opportunity, but it is a simple and easy decision to make. Most likely free or low cost. For example, in my first DM message, I generally present my new follower with their chance to download one of my freebies or to check out my Manychat Skool. Now, one option is completely free and can be used by the general audiences. The other option is a paid for offer, but it targets a very specific audience, Manychat users. The lead decides one of three choices, either one of the two options that I present to them or none. The best way to present the option is with buttons and a secondary message added on to the original. As you can see, I added a message that thanks them and presents two options for them to actually participate in as a special opportunity. Now, lucky for me, I already have automations that I've created prior to this one that actually do exactly what I want them to do if they were to click on the button. So what I'm going to use here is the start automation block that I can now connect one automation to another. So I'm going to look ahead for the freebie that I have. I'm just adding anything at this point for the demonstration. So I go ahead and type in freebie here, and ManyChat in the background is going to look for whatever automations I've already created and is going to bring them here for me to choose. I'm just going to add on this one. And then you hit pick this automation. So now when they click get freebie, that other pre-existing automation is going to run. I'm going to do the same thing for my Join Manychat School. Click anywhere on the screen, start automation, and then I'm going to click to select automation. Once again, search for it. It's the easiest way that you can find any automation that you've already created. I'll just type school and it should find something pretty fast that I've labeled with school. There we go. Pick this automation. And just like that, we now have the automations connected to the buttons that I've created for the follower to choose from. Now, this might not be possible for everybody. If this is possible for you, I would suggest you do the same and reuse automations that you've already created. If this is not an option for you, that is not a problem. Simply add on here to the button whatever automation that you want, whether it's an Instagram message or something else for the follower to actually participate and engage with. Now, before we wrap up, as I promised you, I want to share with you how you can get access to my very own Manychat template that I've built for this very new Manychat feature, Follow to DM. Surprise, surprise, I already told you how you can get access. Of course, this Manychat template and any upcoming ones that I share and create will be exclusively available via Manychat Skool. Each template comes with an easy to install plug and play setup, step-by-step walkthrough, video tutorial, just like you're watching right now, and even a few live demos for you to try yourself. And the very first template available is specifically for Follow to DM, which features all we've just discussed and a few advanced features and extras such as tagging new followers, logging conversions, follow-up messages, and so much more. If you want this template and others that I'll soon be releasing, simply scan the QR code or visit the link in the description to get access to all of my templates and so much more, all within Manychat Skool. And that's it. That is how to send an automated DM to a brand new Instagram follower strategically. Using this technique will help increase your conversions and improve your new follower satisfaction. That's what I consider a win-win-win. A win for you because you can convert each new follower faster and simpler. A win for all of your new followers because they are now more satisfied with your messaging and all of the brand new opportunities that you've presented to them. And surprisingly, a win for Instagram's growth algorithm because all this engagement helps it rank you and your leads better, and they get to see your content much more from the start. Using this strategy with Manychat's Follow to DM feature will help you step your gram up like never before. Now, if I can ask you for one, maybe two favors, please like and subscribe if you got any value from this video. Your engagement and support means a lot, and it'll do one of two things. One, let the algorithm know, hey, this is actually a pretty good video, and it should be shared with many more viewers on YouTube. Two, help you get more of my content just like this, including my weekly live series, The Social Roundtable, in which my co-host and I feature some of your favorite content creators to join us and discuss various topics from Instagram strategy, digital marketing, content creation, and the latest updates and more. So please make sure to smash that subscribe button real good so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos and more. If you'd like to learn how to use the ManyChat feature, the tutorial is still available, as well as your invitation to join my ManyChat Skool. Both links can be found in the description of this video, as well as links to my very own Instagram page. If you aren't following, that's where I share more about my own personal strategy on Instagram, take you behind the scenes of my business, and more. Look for me there, as well as on Threads. Now, if you'd like to check out one of my latest episodes of the Social Roundtable with my co-host, Social Media with Meg, and a featured guest, perhaps somebody that's a content creator that you may or should be familiar with, tap the video on the screen, and I'll see you there. Until next time.